And we hope that these noble methods for achieving world peace and happiness will serve as a wish-fulfilling tree that has grown from root of compassion and branched out in 4 directions. In today's world, which faces interconnecting compassionate views and conduct at individual level.
Yalson Sangmalani test delay ani Sangmalata Tunga to you and Reoyura. The Rangas of Consa show get a Holo Chupa, Gui Tunga Re, ani dinner she in the Lotarista, Tunga Timazo, Kulu, Monalisani get and a car to Ure, Sangmata Dropilla Somche, and was it in Gaga Toto. Keep it tango re, any dinner she get the Tunga Hudson Packet tango ra. The Talo Tunga being as only Masum ring in Island, Betaiku Islanda, and the Chashiru Serra, and Chirangi and Kulu Gita, Tunga in charge is Manchita, Kulu can kill Ratalo Tunga Diaje. Lassoani Gonsacho, Guse Chilo and Chilo Tembasho, Iran Tariki, Nindo Diani, can somewhere to you and the real. One year that is a come with store and I choose the GBG. Mima mangi Kyo and Kamanga Simshra, and Pichi to go so and function start shooting, maybe. Yeah, and to the Shiraka and you attend Omare. And Taritunga in Motin, Cadilla shooting it to Roa, and the Madushi, that's of soil to and Pekelo.
Lights went down when you feel lost in your shadow. Don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
Here comes the thing. Tari hatu kulilu kita mima isele tataga
대신 세바침보 해가지고 시 매지 상부의 수대 비리기 산내 부대 중대 대진 관련이 주요 대규인제랑소 타주 차나데모 숨대 물맥진대 남들 지대 시대 대표 삼성 최기자보 사대자대 용도 딩하다 당진 류기하기 공사자균 대외홍보 탐진진지 세바침보초 리미 조배 경제 풍년 담발 실효직동 국가 숙성하러 도매다수 유도 30배 들어갈 때 이리 회계로 미동대당 합중 아니 변당 앞에 체육기강 실효 미동 미상화 더 준비 체육민 실효달 공장 국주회계 고유부대 총괄약속이 년들 체육회계 국주상보당 때문에 변경기대 산내 지속기 소부 재본이 유배 팀이 남방 산내 본지 교육의 내재 남방 산내 그 열심히 이제 루테니
And other guests as well. Today I would like to read out the statement of Kashak on the 90th birthday of His Holiness 14th Dalai Lama. Today, on this auspicious occasion of the 90th birthday celebration of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, the crown jewel of both spiritual and temporal realms and the champion of the world peace, the Kashak, representing all Tibetans in exile, respectfully offers our deep obeisance and extends heartfelt greetings and felicitations to His Holiness. We also warmly welcome all our distinguished guests who have traveled from near and far to participate in this celebration, as well as everyone around the world who is joining us in celebrating this momentous occasion. On 2nd July 2025, His Holiness the Dalai Lama magnanimously announced the continuation of the institution of Dalai Lama in accordance with the fervent aspiration of the people of Tibet and devoted followers worldwide. This announcement represents an unequivocal assurance for the continuity of religious, culture, linguistic and national identity of Tibet and the Tibetan people. And we hope that these noble methods for achieving world peace and happiness will serve as practical guidance for everyone. Friends and local associations to participate in programs organized by Central Tibetan Administration and various organizations on settlement level throughout this year, and to independently undertake efforts, particularly engaging young people to spread the values of compassion in global community to the best of their ability. His Holiness the Dalai Lama's 4 principal commitments can be recognized as a wish-fulfilling tree that has grown from root of compassion and branched out in 4 directions. In today's world, which faces interconnected crises, including violent conflicts, armed races, trade wars, social fragmentation, moral decay and climate change, these commitments offer unparalleled and undisputable solutions. His Holiness's vision encompasses practical frameworks across multiple levels, engaging in virtuous activities and cultivating compassionate views and conduct at individual level, building compassionate societies through interfaith harmony at the societal level, preserving traditional culture and maintaining the instruction of compassion Shastra, recognized as the most exemplary refugee community unlike any other in this world. The foundation of all these achievements is rooted in His Holiness the Dalai Lama's teachings of Compassion Shastra, which represents the true soft power of Holiness the Dalai Lama's birthday soon arrives. The CTA's celebratory program for His Holiness the Dalai Lama's birthday has been organized as a year-long event, with friends of Tibet from around the world participating as our distinguished guests. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the many guests who have come from afar for today's celebration. Our devotion and support for His Holiness reflects your profound appreciation for the value of compassion and truth, and we encourage you to continue your efforts to spread globally the values of His Holiness teachings of Compassion Shastra based on your understanding and appreciation of them. In conclusion, we pray that His Holiness the Dalai Lama may live for 100 eons of the benefit of world peace and the welfare of all beings. May all his noble aspirations be spontaneously fulfilled without any obstacles. The Kasha has thus far served to the best of our capability and with utmost dedication. And on this significant occasion, we encourage everyone to reinvigorate our unity and collective commitment to practicing and implementing His Holiness the Dalai Lama's teachings of Compassion Shastra. Thank you, everyone.
Honorable Dalai Lama, the esteemed Dalai Lama, I wish all of you that the year that you are going to celebrate this birthday, his 90th birthday, you're going to be celebrating for the whole year. I congratulate the whole fraternity present here on this occasion. As the speaker and the welfare officer address the gathering here, I realize we all here who are present today have gathered here to celebrate the birthday of a person who has spent all his life teaching everybody the right path, teaching everybody to live with compassion, and the people here, the fraternity which is present here, I think merges with the local population here, and all of us have been living in harmony since forever you've been here. The Himachal government has always sided up and has always tried to help your fraternity whenever the need arises. And in future also I realize whenever you people will come up to the government which is represented by a Chief Minister occasion, and I would wish that the Dalai Lama lives in our lives forever. आने वाले समय में भी दलाई लामा जी हजारों साल जिए, यही हमारा सभी को हो रहेगा। आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Our local honorable MLA Shri Bhuvneshwar Gaurji, and all the respected monks and are all Christian communities, and so it comes to dispel all the negative things.
Nyambol haso, nyam gopel. Inga do. Kodi diwar do lo de. Didi ni shu chik ni saru chege. Ein sen do chadar sare. Ein se ko dambi Akuli khosa. Roshin, no space. Semo da de tambola da de samay ra sai ni sumre mutun yore sara go jaga javla rasla rasla and there go del do food item loving Dela That's a good thing. Jinda thing is going to set the way in logo. Jinda thing is lo.
Jumsa you said that Belgium ni ba samde pamo da tinzi ki ne tonan visa ro shinde nasha ani kusa phero na mashe samde pamo da tinzi ki chashu ches da na mashe Paris ni ba se pa lagi dang nami ne tongran nishu ji shede na su di ang sa de ke sang chiring gu de chor re an je don ke siru na shiro na ma shui tongran nishu ji shede na su cha su se sa na manali ke shu su ma ni be ama pa sang da nami ne da da la mo cham so di ke shede tongran jo wa ji shede na sa di la ama pa sang la phero na ma shui ama pa sang la Andi de manali ke shu sumba ne samdin joma ne tongdo ju ji shen de na sha gang gyo gyo phero na la shwa yin samdin joma ne ta de sa ke sim bu ne jo la de kin je ba tulu ne yin ba tinjin da wa ne tongdo ju ji shen de na sha tinjin da wa la phero na tinjin da wa la che la ani Canada ne ba ta wa da ela ne go mu gu tong tu ke Chupila
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Stacks taller than the skyline, touch the clouds. Chain so heavy, neck dripping, make it loud. VIP velvet ropes, living life so wild. Pockets looking pregnant, my money birthed a child. Lit like a chandelier, vibe too insane. Big bottles popping, drown in the champagne. Whips outside, growling and just spit flame. Whole squad got vision, we in our own lane. Wrist doing laps like Olympic torch. Flip the hustle mountaintop, no need for the porch.
Hello, Nidong Kalakangani, Rani Sindulo, and Longa Betsi Chukita, Silo, Nidon Yisanga, Dawa Betsi, Juk Ninda, Kio, Musaka Chipoto, Uruta, Kingam, Skilla, they were put in the Himo. Once the Chicken of Kondo Soe, came with the number, Sadu Somoda, Soshe, Sane Posicho, Sane Kodeka, Kemoda, Chance number, Samboda Nilota, Pabul, Lashiki, busy number. Sane Shunde na Shunde Membe, Sogi Kaki Sozo da Somi number, Sane Kaki Japan number Toshe, Nima Nengi Yola, Diri Tashi the Pul Tunga Nimola, Sabi Tash the show.
Zego di ani Keke Gang Dubai, Sani Shunde Zego, Nini Megi and Shunde Zego di Shopa, Chasu Jube Tone and Uzu Shui, Jeza and Diring Nashing Sani and Kerdo. 아니 미망도 유통이야 아니 예전 나오나 아니 그게
그 진짜 저는 칼라서도 참가들 보이려 아 디지털 게임스 좀 스토어스래 상가도 ये गेम किसे बॉडीगार्ड है ताइयर होगा ताइयर एक कीपर है फर्स्ट क्लास में दो बोले नहीं दो दिन भी बड़ी लेकिन दे दो ये छह क्या सो कंबल घरे क्या सो
तेरा नंबर किसका है? तेरा नंबर
बड़ा समय गेम से निकले दिशा हम लोग खलास नहीं देख गेम से
कट कर एक का जोड़ दीजिए 14 नंबर 1 पे
हेलो
नंगलो माशो नमदे दा चिलो लति थालो
ऑनलाइन
या दा दे तंबोला गेम दुला स्कूटी दे छंगो जुदा न खला स द लाइन शूट
हेलो हाफ शीट कॉर्नर नहीं होगा फुल शीट कॉर्नर फुल हाउस 4 हाफ शीट कॉर्नर नहीं होगा ठीक है गेम खेलते हम डिस्टर्ब करेगा ना उसको 71 नेक्स्ट नंबर गेम जोन 2 and 1 21 single number 2 21 71 next number 4 and 3 43 next number 58 हिला के निकला 7 and 2 72 next number
ये बिग प्लान समझ दे दे ले 아니 갈라시 무슨 세 아 무슨 세
동민다 가든
아
등장
동고 문제 다 통사 야 다 통다 니고 갈라 가도 되나 पनीर या दा सोफा इस साउरा हाँ मागे साउर और लोग Kita tidak bet korang base korang. Iya, soalnya udah.
Cho
Yes. Okay, full house bro.
Yendu degar sam shairo hajilana tanda ta du sama tambolo da ande game reshira ani sum da kama ship din sam gudra ani ching seba shu dra tanda yendu ge ta mang chiru ge amba a sangi nima ni tando yore sangi yore naninga yore ani ta ge try churo ya da ngalo re mo samo du sini